Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 3 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here on the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, now let's continue with the measurement. So, first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. You can scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the heart rate widget, this is the one with the heart icon, tap on it to open the heart rate widget. And now the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically because it measures the heart rate in real time. Oh, let's wake up the screen, and here we have it. The number will jump around because it's measuring the heart rate in real time, but once it's stabilized, it should be your current heart rate. And as you can see here we have the graph. Basically, it shows us the heart rate stats from whole day. Also we have the highest heart rate and the lowest. And we can also swipe up to see the resting heart rate. But you need to have more data because it takes the average resting heart rate from last 7 days. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back. You can also access the heart rate widget by simply going to home screen, the watch face, and then swiping left on the screen, and by default the heart rate is first widget after the watch face. Okay, and that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.